So as a basic neurobiological researcher, I really appreciate organizations such as One Mind that kind of take risks on researchers like myself to basically build out and help us to better understand the basic mechanisms that contribute to psychiatric syndromes and disorders. And while it may seem far-fetched to think about our work in the context of actual treatment and with patients, I actually believe that this work is incredibly fundamental and has allowed us to push our labs towards getting into the clinic. So for example, some of the work that was funded by One Mind for my lab was actually building out a diagnostic platform where we could use this novel information that we had discovered that monoamine neurotransmitters like serotonin and so forth can directly bound to the proteins that wrap around our DNA to regulate gene expression. And they funded an award that would allow us to basically build out this information to develop platforms that allow us to use that information in the blood as diagnostics potentially in humans. So meaning that people with major depressive disorder could come into the clinic, we could get blood draws from those individuals, and then we could use subsequent blood draws after different treatment regimens, for example, with classic SSRI antidepressants or ketamine treatments, and we could use basically this molecular information to diagnose how well or how poorly they were responding to the different treatments that they were receiving. And so I think that, again, for a lab like mine that really tends to live more in the basic mechanism zone, it was a really exciting opportunity for us to move more into clinically relevant work.